and go home with us. Pretty neat piece. So as you see, the magnificent Ron Maple showed up tonight. Put a little bit of time in on pulling the old black truck here apart for the donor heart for Merica. Bevy helped me pull the trans last night. It's sitting right here. This trans has the manual valve body that my sled pulling truck used to have when I was an automatic. Darren converter, Dan's transmission built this. He was about the best in the business at the time. So this will be a perfect spare transmission for the monster truck. Pulled the rockers off the old P-pump 24 valve engine, valve cover, all that good stuff, unhooked everything, plucking her out of here. He's got the steam cleaner, just getting some of the 200,000 mile grime off over there. We're just trying to melt the grease off. He's trying not to burn the gaskets out of anything. We don't want to re-gasket this right now, we don't have time. And it even has a stock head gasket. We're just going to torque it and we're going to send it, Ron. That's what you do with junkyard motors, you know.
Yeah. I mean, it'll either work or it won't. We're going to find out.
Yeah, this thing's got even more miles than the other motor on it, so it'd be even better decompressed. It'll be nice, huh?
And the next engine's still on me knowing this?
So yeah, we're going to let him wash that off and then yeah, we'll start putting her in Merica.